Okay, in this lesson, what it's wanting us to do is style the body, background color, and then also the text color. So we need to use a little bit of CSS to do that. So basically what we're going to be doing is writing some CSS that colors the background of everything in between these body tags, and then also colors the text of everything in between these body tags. So in order to use CSS, we need to place that up here in between our head tags. And then in those head tags, we need to create the style tags, which in this particular step, these style tags are already here. So the very first thing we need to do, and I'm going to go over here to the more details tab real quick just to show you that, is we need to create a selector for our body. So here's our body HTML tags. We need to create a CSS selector to match that body, that HTML body tag. And how you do that in CSS is you write out the body as the selector, and you place that, the brackets like that. And then we want to use the background color property like it's showing us here, but in our tutorial here, it's asking us to create the background as black rather than yellow that's showing in our image here. So we wrote the selector, the property, and then the value. So here's our CSS selector. This is the property we're setting, and this is the value, which is black. And then it's also asking us here in this step to set the text color to white. So there's a little bit of inconsistency in CSS. You would think, based off how we coded the background color, you would write it like this. At least that's what it feels like to me. That's how I would think to write it. But again, there's some inconsistencies in CSS. So how you would actually code the text color in CSS is just color. So background color black. This is the text color white. And let's see if this validates. And now we can play it. And you'll see here, let me actually shrink my screen so you can see it here in my video. We have the whole body of our page is now colored black, and then the text within that is colored white. So again, this body selector matches up to our body HTML tags, and that's how it knows to color and style everything in between our body tags like that.